Some new reports suggest that the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 and Fold May 7th be launching sooner this year, and excitement is building fast. Apparently, their timeline has been moved up by a few days, though the event will still happen within the same month as originally expected. Preliminary details confirm there's a Galaxy Unpacked event scheduled for early July. And these details come straight from the publication The Jungong in Korea, which seems to have dropped a few subtle clues about the timeline and the venue for the Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 launches. There's a strong possibility that the next Unpacked event will be held in New York in July, marking a return to USA after last year's event was held in Paris for the Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. For reference, the previous Galaxy Flip 6 and Fold 6 were made official on July 10th, but if these leaks hold true, the new folding phones could be launching within the first week of July. How exciting is that? Samsung previously hosted the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 in New York as well, then switched to Seoul, Korea for the Z Flip 5 and Fold 5, and now it seems like they're cycling back to New York for another major reveal. It's also rumored that the new Flip device and the much-anticipated Trifold device could both be teased on the same stage. Imagine the hype if that happens. So, what's expected from Samsung's latest foldable duo this year? Based on leaks, the Z Flip 7 is set to upgrade its cover screen to a larger 4 inches and the inner AMOLED display to 6.85 inches, making it the biggest upgrade yet for a Flip model. It's also rumored to pack a 4,300 mAh split battery with 25W fast charging. Definitely a welcome boost for all-day performance. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will reportedly feature a 6.5-inch cover display and a stunning 8.2-inch folding screen inside, making multitasking and media consumption even more immersive. The camera setup could also see a serious jump, with a 200MP main camera expected, alongside the familiar 12MP ultra-wide and 10MP telephoto lenses, and a 12MP selfie camera on the cover display. One of the most exciting changes will be the phone's new thin design. The Z Fold 7 could measure just 4.5 millimeters when unfolded and 9.5 millimeters when folded, making it sleeker and easier to carry than ever before. Of course, that slim profile could be why it retains a slightly smaller 4,400 mAh battery with 25W charging support. But given Samsung's optimization efforts, battery life should still be strong. Keep in mind, though, that these are preliminary leaks and rumors, and while they sound incredibly promising, we might have to wait for more reliable sources to confirm the full specifications. Regardless, it's safe to say that Samsung is pulling out all the stops for its 2025 foldable lineup. As always, we'll keep you posted on every update, leak, and official teaser as we get closer to the big reveal. So stay tuned, and make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for notifications. Because here at TechVerse, we bring you the future technology, one leak at a time.